Okay, so hello everyone. In this video, we will see some more string methods. So this is one is alnum method, means it's check the alphanumeric string. So what's the mean of this? Okay, it returns true. Okay, when it returns true if the given string contains only only alphabets or numeric numeric character. Okay, otherwise it will return false. Okay, so let's see what is the mean of this. For example, I'm writing here print. Okay, and inside the print, I'm writing one string, and I'm writing here ABC. ABC is a string, okay, which containing alphabet. So here I'm checking is alphanumeric, is alnum. Okay, so it will return what? True. It will return true. Why it is returning true? So it is containing alphabet. So if a string containing alphabets, it will return true. If a string containing numbers, so it will return true. So it will return what? True. Okay. Suppose I am writing here if a string containing number, so it will return. Okay, it is returning true. So suppose your string containing alphanumeric means alphabets is there and numbers is there, then also it is true. Okay, it is also true. So when it is false, when it contains any symbol other than number and alphabet, it is containing something like ampersand symbol, so it will return what? False. This time it will return false. So your string can store only numbers or alphabets, but other than number and alphabet, you cannot store anything. It will return false. Okay, so for example, I'm writing this. So it will return what? It will return again false. So only alphabets or numbers are allowed, right? Alphabets and number is allowed when you're checking is okay is alnum. If you are using this function, this method, so it will allow only alphabets and numbers. Okay, the next function is next method is alpha. Okay, so what does it do? Okay, so true if the given string contains only alphabet. Okay, so it doesn't allow any numbers. Okay, is alpha doesn't allow any numbers. So for example, I am writing here print, okay, ABC 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, like that I'm typing, and is alpha I'm checking. So what it will return? It will return false. Okay, it is returning what? False. Okay, it is returning false. Let me delete this line. Okay, so it will return true only when your string containing only alphabets. Okay, your string containing only alphabets means it will return true. Okay, if it is containing any number, if it is containing any number anywhere, so it will return what? False. Okay, so these type of methods are really important in like when we write DSA problem, when we solve DSA problem. So these methods are really useful at that time. Okay, after that, okay, suppose if I'm giving here symbol, the symbol is not alphabet, right? So it will return what? It will return false. Okay, suppose I'm giving a space, so what it will return? Again, it is returning false because alphabets are not there. So here it will return true only when you will give alphabet. right? Okay. After that, we have another method which is known as isDigit. Okay. Here I is capital, I is small, right? And what it returns? Return true if the given string contains only digits. Okay. If the is given string contains only digits, then it will return true. So what is the method name? Is digit. Okay. Is digit. So will it return true or false? So it will return false. So it is returning false because this is what? Alphabet. If I'm writing here 1, 2, 3, 4, so it will return true. In this case, it is returning true. If you will insert anywhere any alphabet, so now it will not return true. It will return false. Suppose if I write space, so again it is returning false because space is also not a number. Okay, space is not a number. So if I write here dash, so it will return false. Okay, so only numbers is allowed. Okay, now it is returning true, right? Okay, after that we have another method. Okay, is space. If you want to check whether your string containing space or not, so true if the given string contains space, right? So for example, what's the method name? Is space. So is it containing any space? No, false. Okay, so this is space means your string contains your space only. When you're inside your string there is space, then only it will return true. Okay. So if you're writing something like ABC space ABC means it will return again false because it is not containing only space. It has a space along with character. So this is what false. So if only space, okay, suppose I'm not giving anything means it returns false. So only space required. Okay, if I give more than one space, so it is returning true. Means space is allowed, right? And after that, we have is upper. Okay, is upper function. So what it does? What is the use of is upper? So it returns true. It returns true. When it returns true if the given string is in uppercase, right? And then we have is lower. Okay, is lower function we have. Okay, this is small I only. And is lower means it returns true if the given string in is in lower case, right? So for example, if I'm writing here ABC, okay, which is capital, and I'm checking is lower. So is it lower? No, it is not lower. So it will return false. Okay, so it is returning what? False. So if I check here ABC, is it lower? Yes, it is lower. True. If I write symbols, so is it upper or lower? No, it is false. Okay, so when you are containing lower string, then only it will return true. Okay, in this case, this is return, right? So true, it is shown. What about is upper? So if you will write here is upper, so it will check whether string alphabets are in uppercase or not. So these are not in uppercase, so it will return false. So what it is returning? False. Okay, so if I write here ABC, so it will return true. Okay, so this is how it works. Is lower and is upper, like that it works. Okay, so in this video we have covered these many things, and in previous videos we have discussed these many things like comparison, comparing string objects. Okay, so we have seen how we can do comparison. We have seen these predefined functions. Okay, we have seen ORD and CHR functions. Okay, we have seen what is the mean of immutable. Okay, why string immutable, and these are the string modification methods. Okay, these are the string checking methods. Okay, we have discussed this in previous videos, and in this video we have discussed these things. Okay, all right, so thank you everyone. In the next video we will discuss more about string. So thank you everyone for watching this video.